What's up, guys? I'm on the channel. So listen, there's a reason why I stopped doing the 72-day challenge thing for the videos, which I'll explain in the end of this video. But for right now, we're gonna be getting this motor onto the go-kart and probably running it and see what the thing can actually do on the go-kart and how fast we can actually go and stuff. So first, we gotta get the go-kart uncovered. She hasn't been touched since, for a while. Like the last time I took the motor off the go-kart. We have not touched it. Actually, no, not touched it off, since we came out here and tested it out and everything. So all you gotta basically do right now is just put the bolts in, put the belt on, the chain on, which is up there in oil. And we're pretty much ripping this thing right off the bat right here. So first we gotta get the engine back on the go-kart. Actually, this thing doesn't weigh that much, but it's a little awkward to carry because you got a big turbo here, there, you got the gas tank still connected to it, which I didn't feel like unhooking because I just didn't feel like unhooking it. Don't ask me why. Just didn't feel like unhooking it, so I had to do like a little manangling to get it around. But first we gotta do this engine. First we gotta get everything unraveled from it. The the electrical lines, the boosted line for the gauge, and then the gas lines. So I ended up pushing the gas lines to the front. But first what I did, I think here was actually I adjusted the air intake because that was in the way a little bit. Then I was just make sure nothing was in the way, nothing major, and then that's when I started looking at the gas lines. Like, all right, the gas line can probably go this way, and then the boost gauge can go right up, probably come straight up around the right side of me, and go right to the steering wheel. Now I'll show you that in a little bit, but basically what I did, I just took the gauge that was there already, which is basically just an hour for the motor and like RPM for the motor, and I moved it over a little to the right, and I bolted the boost gauge really right to the bracket I made for the other thing. So that was a nice simple thing to do real quick, but next thing I gotta do is I think I had to do the gas lines, finish that up, and also do the throttle cable for the motor itself. And this just sucks now. So moving up to the front here, I had actually this nut accidentally welded onto the thing by accident. I think when I was welding it, I accidentally tapped it and it welded slightly, but it wasn't too bad. It came right off. It was just like you had to give it a little harder tug. But so one thing I found out when I was doing this was that the throttle cable was actually a little too big and a little too small for the nut. So I had to actually take a drill and start drilling through it to make it bigger, which eventually got bigger. I almost killed the line, as you'll see in a second. But she still works and she works good. So we got a good movement here. I almost ruined this thing a little bit. It did a little bit, but it's okay. I just gotta tighten this up after I adjust it to that. And then this should be all good, and just button up the gas tank, get a battery for this thing, for the pump for that. And then after that, I think we'll be running for the first time here. Alright guys, so we got it all complete here. Got the battery strapped, got the gas tank's not strapped, but that's fine right there. It won't jump out or anything like that. Motor's all put together. We got the oil all going into the turbo. I got a little switch right here to turn on the pump. And see, well, I can't really see it, but you hear the pump right there. I see the thing vibrating right there. It's on. What else you got? You got the chain all set up there. You got there's oil in it. The only thing I gotta do is just crank it up and see if the thing even idles right now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well guys, any chance of us riding this today has just been blown because I broke the pull string. And now it's just sitting here rotten dead, and now I gotta go put a bag over this engine. I really don't want to I probably gotta spray some WD-40 on it too so it doesn't rust up or anything. I didn't really want to keep it down the elements without driving first, but what you gonna do? Sadly, it's what it is. I took the battery off and everything, so I'm gonna get this thing all cleaned up, put away, and I gotta go order one of these, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about the whole videos and stuff like that, and what's coming next. All right, so listen guys, tough break on the go-kart. Sadly, I really wanted to drive the thing and feel the power on it, but sadly, she broke. What are you gonna do? It's what it is, and now we're stuck with just waiting for an order, the new one of those pull cord things. So, but yeah, so listen, the 72 hour thing I was doing, I stopped doing it, and I didn't stop doing it. I'm still doing shorts, but the video part I'm not doing because as I was doing videos, I was like, I was having fun actually making the videos and going along and keep making them. But I ran out of things to really make with videos. Hold on one second. Can I call you right back in like 2 minutes? Sorry, girlfriend, I was on the phone, but yeah, so I was trying to just make videos, and it got to a point where I didn't have enough content to use in a day to make a daily video without it being like, you know, boring or just, and you know, just showing you my life is not getting that fun. Like I want the channel to be more fun videos to be posted, and then do like talk videos like with friends and stuff like that. So that's like, it stays entertaining and not boring. And you know, the way YouTube algorithm works, it's like, you know, if you have some videos that work really good and some of these that don't, the videos that don't kind of push your rating down a little bit and doesn't do good for your channel. So that's why I kind of stopped doing that, because all the videos weren't doing good and most of the videos were kind of getting boring towards the end. And I was like, all right, that's it. I'm just gonna cut it and I'm gonna focus on good videos like this one. Well, this one would have been a really good video, but sadly that happened. But yeah, so that's kind of the whole thing. It's just kind of, I'm only gonna make videos that are entertaining, and I'm not gonna push out videos. Now I do want to do a 3 months video thing, but that's when it gets a little warmer out, which right now is really nice out. It's getting warmer out, so we definitely will be getting into Frank and Rango soon. But right now we're still in like a cold spout. This week it's just starting to warm up again, so gotta just wait a little bit longer, but probably about next week. And also after I get past this whole window cleaning business thing and getting like that thing up on here and coasting a little bit, doing the actual business and not just planning everything and buying everything and doing less overpressing, because that's kind of where all my time's going right now, and that's boring to watch. So what we do have a second channel. We go on that Royal Shine window cleaning YouTube channel, so if you want to check that out, we will be doing videos on there if you want to check it out. So but yeah, so other than that, guys, listen, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go do some practicing with that, get some dinner cooking and a bunch of other things done. And listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry that we couldn't drive the go-kart today, but it's what happens. What are you gonna do? We live on. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let one get in your way. And I'll see you guys in the next one.